Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode theme on your Microsoft Word product. So this will apply for other Office products as well, like Excel and Word. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start by selecting the File tab, and then you want to select Options at the bottom left corner. On the left side, you want to select where it says General up at the top, and then underneath Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, and then Office Themes. Click on the drop down here, and now you can select between dark gray, black, white, use system setting, or colorful. So pretty straightforward. I'll just go ahead and set it to black, and then we're going to select OK. And there you go, guys. You've just set it to dark mode. If you wanted to set it to a gray color, you can just select Office Theme and then dark gray, and that may be what more of you guys are accustomed to. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.